But we also have a question from Nazish, who's wondering that with this rise of the online gaming, especially at the moment, and many of the famous tabletop games that we have existing with online alternatives or apps, does the physical board game industry have an thought?
I certainly think that it does, and obviously, I hope it does. I don't think it's going away. The industry has seen a resurgence over the past few years, and I think if you look at what's driven that resurgence, it's people enjoying the human interaction that board games give them. That those emotions, they're not going anywhere. As soon as this lockdown ends and the restrictions, ease, people are going to want to spend time with one another more than ever, I think, because these kinds of situations, we read it all the time. People miss playing games with their groups and their friends and their family. So as soon as that eases, I'm sure it'll go back to kind of where it was. And in actual fact, I read something the other day that if you take the Kickstarter, the money raised on Kickstarter, and use that as a metric, board games on Kickstarter raised more than ever last year, despite the fact that the lockdown was in place. So I definitely think that it has a future, and I'm very, very happy about that.